Here's my mini haul from home. So I got these 4 bags from Forever 21. That's where I usually like to get my bags for the season. Crest, can't find that here. In Battle of the Brands, which one are you, Crest or Colgate? I've always been a Crest girl. Flossers, oh my gosh, it's so hard to find a good one, so I bought a bunch of those. Here's my Neutrogena SPF that I like when I go to the beach and stuff. And then I like these wipes. I got this ranch dressing for my friend because... And then I got 2 sets of pajamas. And I got all this stuff from Target. Just delivered my Zara order. Zara always comes neatly packed like this with some tissue paper. Okay, let's see if I can remember what I ordered. Oh, that's a top, that's a top. I got this in a size smaller than I think I am. Got this in a size larger than the last time I tried to order one of those. This is a corset top in a size larger and a bunch of jeans. It's too low. Like, look how low that is. It's in a size larger than I tried previously. So yeah, they're kind of like tight here, but loose in the back. That's a no for me. Let's see how this goes. And they're not quite cropped and not quite long enough. They're in between, so I'm gonna send these back. I told Kevin I was bored in the house and I wanted to come outside, so this is where he brought me. Actually, I requested to come here, but he still brought us here.
All made with 0% champagne.
Hey, fried chicken? He has that.
Thank you.
Looks good. Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
It's like real shrimp. Other people don't really use real shrimp. They use like frozen cocktail shrimp. And it's also real bread, soft in the middle and crispy crust. I love it.
And doused in oil.
Oh, that looks good. Thank you. Is this your first espresso martini?
No. Couple of
Trendy drink.
Is it?
Yes. Non-alcoholic champagne shot. Thanks. Okay, my mans took me out and now we're going home for the night. Nice Friday night out. I loved it. Kevin and I are headed to B&M today because I want to try and get some garden stuff for our patio in the park. So it's a really nice day today. So after the pub last night, are we going to try another pub? Those are my favorite cocktails I've ever had. Pop Star Martini, that's what they called it. It was like a Moscow Mule, but they called it a raspberry mule and it had like little cut up chunks of raspberry in it. That was really good too. I love them as mocktails, so I'm gonna try and get those wherever I go. Off to B&M. I want to get some stuff to add to the garden. So I'm thinking like a tree or some sort of large plant or a hanging plant, something colorful. Oh yeah, and some smaller plants to put in our planter. I think we need soil too. Oh, this is compost.
Compost.
Yeah, compost. Americans say compost. It's okay. I think we're gonna need this and soil. Do you know anything about plants, babe? Yeah, that's the whole point. What's that? It doesn't say what it is. It says hanging basket summer. What am I supposed to do with that? Which one should we get? The pink one or the purple one? Those look a little raggedy. They've been out in the sun too long. And those too, actually. You could probably bring them back to life.
Correct. You can put your own plants in it.
I wonder if we get a discount for them looking like this. I wish I knew what they attracted. What kind of bugs. It's a bit sparse.
This?
No, that's like a bush. No, like the ones inside. Let's battle with the moss. That's looking real nice right about now. Isn't it? All right. We're done. This is what we're getting. Geraniums, petunias, some kind of impatient beacon,
So what colors have you got?
hanging basket, them colors. Went with this tree here. This trowel for digging holes in the soil. I got way more than I thought I was going to get for today. So now I just want to know if I can keep them alive at home. Kevin's at war with moss. How's it going? Moss 1, Kev 0. Kev's 1, Moss 0. The moss is dead.
0, 0.
Oh. They're still at war. I'll just put it in the back seat. There's a KFC like batter recipe that I wanted to try. So I'm gonna stop at Tesco's and pick up some spices. We're gonna make a replica, but you know, not the real version, the Gen safe version, which is gluten-free, dairy-free, cruciferous, veggie-free, and then also low acid. Basil, rosemary. I think I need sage, marjoram, and smoked paprika back there. We're back home. Kevin had to see Gaelic football.
These are not.
His home team's playing. That's the moss sward in the front there. Nice lush green grass in the back. Topsoil ready to go. Need a table. Have my lanterns. Switch the rug. I put up lights. Come together. These are the planters I bought weeks ago. That's where the flowers are gonna go. I have my no secco and my gluten-free pretzels. I'm good and tired, so now this guy. So here's my version. We did like chicken fingers with the breading. That took forever, but here's the finished product. Here's how it's going. I had these sitting in the sun. Probably was not a great idea. Like, see, that's shriveled up and died already. Here's the planters I'm putting them in. Drilled some holes in the bottom. I'm about to put the soil and the compost in there. Here's my tree that doesn't fit in the pot. Watering can. Here's my trusty garden gloves. And I have my gardening tools. I'm ready to go. Now I'm gonna put some water in them. I give it plenty of water. So there's like mud puddles in there now. Okay, put my holes back in there.
What have we got there, dear?
This is the geranium. Muddy hole there. Wipe the dust. So we added the rest in here. That's what that's looking like right now. Here's the aftermath. Some plants got murdered today, it looks like it, but they just were rehomed. Hope these are okay. That's the finished look. So After all that weeding and lawn care, we decided to come out.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my
Very
eyes.
cute here.
Have the foresight to believe.
Thanks, babe.
No problem.
How you feeling?
Good. You?
I'm good. How much did you get done today?
A lot outside.
You did a whole lot.
And so we cleared out the front and cleared the way for
You
someone's
did.
planters and sorted out the shed, cut the grass.
You did?
Yep. And then weeded out the flower bed. There's always work to do.
Yeah. Oh, I probably want another lantern. And that might be it. I'm going to change out the rug. And then I think I'm done. I'm thinking loads of greenery, like that. And like this maybe. Stuff like this. So you see how this is all spaced out? So I think something like that would be cute. But see, they have like a mixture of mulch and rock. We already have cat friends that come and visit us every day. And they said mulch is bad for cats because they look at it like litter. So they'll start doing their business in it. I want something like sparse like that, not a lot. And green. Something that could take care of itself. It looks like they have a moss problem too.
Really? Could be just the finish they want.
Moss wars. I know people buy fake moss all the time for their table decor and for their fake plants, and then we have it growing in real life and we hate it because it's gonna kill our grass.